Hey guys, welcome to Amy's vlog.
No, we're going on a bushwalk. It's quite smoky, but that's fine. Yay. Let's go.
If anything exciting happens.
Should we go in there?
Yeah, let's see. There's a little off track.
Let's see where this goes. Oh, and it has like 3 hours.
Whoa!
What was that? Did you hear that? Okay, it's fine. I mean, which way should we? Let's go.
Where are we really? So you understand?
What? Oh, this is cool. Okay. Yo.
Okay. So we're gonna play Would You Rather.
Yeah.
Do you have any?
Okay. Would you rather be a mouse or a rat?
What did he say?
Be a mouse or a rat?
Same thing, bitch. Just different shapes.
What kind of Would You Rather is that?
I don't know.
Would you rather live in the nicest location or have the nicest house?
Oh, nicest location.
Definitely same. Like,
Then
cause
you can decide.
no, because then you could like have your own like. You could decorate it nicely inside.
Yeah.
But I don't care what it looks like on the outside.
Either.
It's really hot. I'm like humid. Oh, when you're on skateboarding?
Hey guys, I'm Charlotte.
Amy Grace in the wild. What's your favourite colour?
This is Mayha. How well do we know each other? Alright, we've got some questions now.
So, first question is,
What's your biggest fear?
what's your
Oh, that's pretty. What a time! Oh,
right?
yeah. My biggest fear is losing the people closest to me.
Yeah, like
Family. Yeah, family, friends. And also, if it's not sentimental, then it's like heights, spiders.
I thought you didn't
bugs.
mind heights.
Actually, yeah, that's a rumor. That's actually really cute. Fit check!
Okay, wait.
No, my
Okay.
fit check's really bad. Alright. Ready? General pants, hat. Normal, like, white basic tee. Glassons, basic, and I fold. Righty. Just normal socks and some Nike shoes.
And the bag.
And the
best
bag
part.
is pretty decently cool. Mayo's turn.
Super boring. I know where this is from. This is from thrift store. Lululemon sports bra and cotton on Bermuda denim jean shorts and condoms.
Nice. A+.
Wildflower case.
Drink break.
30-second ago. Oh, that is a tiny. Oh, ASMR check.
ASMR.
Okay, we're off.
Well, looks like we're not doing the 72 questions. Enjoy this montage. TikTok time.
Is there even a dance?
Okay, enough TikTok because that was ugly.
Oh, we should do
Look,
this
killed a
one.
mozzie. Are you ready? Boy or girl?
Comment down below.
Comment and subscribe.
Wait, I actually look ridiculous. Actually, self-love. I love myself.
5 minutes later.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
You're right.
Oh, you
Guess what accent I'm trying
guess
to do.
where she's from. Ready, go. I thought you were going.
Guten Tag. Wie geht's?
Huh? Did you just say forget?
Wait, no.
What's in there?
Check.
What was that?
You know what?
I can't see it. Is that a chicken? Enter the meme.
Look at all those chickens.
Look at all those chickens down there. Hey, what is down there?
How we said we'd always want to go to a waterfall.
Oh my god.
It's not okay. Our first fight.
Get out of it.
It's actually crazy how much it's grown.
I know, like it was a baby and now it's a mama.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Sophie.
Oh, spider! Oh my god, you put it on myself! Are you actually kidding me? Wait, she actually just flinged a spider on me. Are you okay? You literally went like this.
Okay.
Go up. So we were walking for about an hour and a half, I would say. What's the time?
You vlog for it.
Yep. Oh, it's 3 o'clock, so that's exactly an hour and a half. Actually, a bit under. Anyway, we're just going on a bit of an adventure now. Don't really know where we're going, but should be good.
Alright, so now we're going up the hill.
Oh my god. Oh, this is fun.
We made it up.
Okay, peace.